Hey everyone, Mr. Mac again with another tutorial. So when you get to the water features, one of your tasks is to create a Voki. I will show you what a Voki is if you've never heard of it. So you click on the link, and again it'll take you to our Google Classroom. You can click on the link from there. Now it looks like you can't really do a whole lot of anything on here, but if you look in the center of these two advertisements, it wants you to have the latest version of Adobe. So you just go ahead and click that and allow your computer to access that. And what will appear is a Voki. Now, I don't really want a pig being my Voki, but if you want that, go ahead. You can choose from different characters. You do animals, you could do edgy people, oddballs, randoms, VIP, you could do leaders. Okay, so there's our president, Donald Trump. So if you select that person or that character, maybe you can change the hairstyle. Although with him it's limited to what his hair is. As we see him, you can change clothing, and you can give him glasses or maybe necklaces, whatever. But so I'm just gonna keep with traditional, and then you can also change the background if you want. So let me give him a city. There might be DC in here. Looks like there's not. Travel. Okay, I can just pick one. Oh, there's DC. Oh, perfect. Okay, so if you click done. Alright. So now you want to give your Voki a voice, and you can either record it by phone, which I would not suggest doing. You could do text to speech, which is what a majority of you will probably do, or you could record your own voice. So I'm going to do text to speech, and you are with this Voki, you should be typing a small paragraph as to how the water features played into the development of the U.S. So what you're doing there, excuse me, so you type out your script and say, I don't know, I'll just take a fact of one of the regions. So the Gulf of Mexico allowed Spanish and French explorers to go to Mexico and other parts of North America. Okay, so now you can choose your accent if you want. You can do English, Chinese, Czech, so on and so forth. So that would be the language, really. So I'm going to keep it English. And then the voice, there are this would be where the accent is, sorry. So you could give it the person a male Australian accent, there's different US accents, probably the pitch of their voice too, I would imagine. You could do an Irish accent. So I will try an Indian accent. You could also do sound effects, bullhorn, chipmunk, dimwit, echo, so on and so forth. And if at any time you want to preview it, then you just click this little play button.
The Gulf of Mexico allowed Spanish and French explorers to go to Mexico and other parts of North America.
Okay, so let's say you like that and you are done with it. Then you're going to click publish. I'm going to do Mr. Max Voki. I'm going to click save, and it will eventually give me, we are a guest. I want to continue to be a guest. Alright, so now you're looking at your Voki. It's kind of creepy. It can look all over where your mouse goes. You can listen to it again.
The Gulf of Mexico allowed Spanish and French.
Okay, so what you want to do then is copy the URL, which will copy that, and then you would add it to the class Padlet, where you can then share it with everyone else.